Why do some people save money for years but never become wealthy? Is saving enough, or is investing the real secret to financial growth? In this video, you will clearly understand the real difference between saving and investing and learn how to use both to build a stronger financial future. Saving means setting money aside to protect it. Most people save by keeping money in a bank account or as cash. Saving is important for emergencies, short-term goals, financial safety. However, there is a hidden problem. When your money is only saved, it slowly loses value because of inflation. Investing means putting your money to work so it can grow over time. This can include stocks, real estate, businesses, or index funds. Investing helps you grow wealth, beat inflation, build long-term financial freedom. Important truth: investing involves risk, but smart. Long-term investing reduces that risk. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing helps your money grow. First, save for safety. Then, invest for growth. People who build wealth do not choose between saving and investing. They use both wisely. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Subscribe to Learn in a Minute for more smart and simple financial ideas.